In this session, we will create the basic 3D modeling in Catia. The goal is to understand the fundamentals, how to start a sketch, add features, and build the part cleanly. By the way, I am Syed Jabiulla and I work with the students and professionals who wants to improve their designing fundamentals. Stay with me, get inside the Catia, start designing the 3D models. In this video, I'm going to explain how to design this particular component in Catia using part design. So I'm starting from this phase, this direction. Okay, so we are going to draw this complete profile with exact dimensions, whatever the provided dimensions. Okay, so with respect to dimensions, we are going to create the complete profile and we are going to pad it in this direction till the last. Okay, that's the first piece. This is the first piece, first part. The second one, we are going to start from this face. So we are going to select this face. Here, we are going to draw this rectangle because we want to remove the material till the last in this direction. Okay, according to dimension, we are going to draw the rectangle. This is the second portion, second piece. Fine. And we are going to remove the material from this particular component. Let's get inside the interface of part design. There I'm going to explain how to design this component. Let's start from the 3D design. Go to Start. So click on the mechanical design. Here we are going to get the part design. Fine. If you want to enter the name here, we can enter the name. Otherwise, we can modify it later. Let it be, keep it default. Click OK for this. Fine. So for this example, I am going to select this plane, that is ZX plane. Select the plane, go to the option sketch. Fine. Let's go to profile, start from approximately here, first point, second point, and third point. I want to add the dimension for this. Go to constraint. I'm going to add this horizontal dimension and I'm going to add the vertical dimension. Double click on this 150 millimeter, enter. This vertical dimension 65 millimeter, enter for this. Fine. I want the drawing in the center with reference. Select this vertical reference line. To this vertical line, I want to keep it 75 millimeter, enter. Fine. From this reference to this line, 65 by 2, 65 by 2, enter for this. Go to the option here, profile. Let's start from this point here. Okay. First point, I just want to continue the profile like this. Now we are going to add all the remaining dimensions. Go to constraint. Okay. So select this. This is 20 millimeter. Enter. Fine. And this dimension 15. 1, 5. 1, 5. Enter for this. This dimension is again, I am going to add this dimension. This is 20 millimeter. 2, 0. Enter. This dimension, select this line. This is 15. 1, 5. Enter. Okay. This dimension is also, select this, double click on this, 1, 5, enter. I have one more dimension. Go to the constraint. I am going to add this dimension. This is 40 millimeter. Double click on this, give it as 40, enter. One more dimension. I want to add it from here to here. This is 20 millimeter, 20, enter for this. Exit workbench. On the right side, we get the option to exit. Click on the exit. I want to pad it completely for the 100 millimeter. Go to pad, give it as 50. Fine. Here I'm getting the option mirror extend. Click OK. I'm going to get the shape like this. So select this surface because I want to remove the material from here. Go to the option sketch. Let's go to rectangle. We are starting from here, approximately first corner and second corner. Now select this line, hold Control, select this, go to the option here, constraint, click on the option coincide. Click OK. I want to add the dimension for this height. Select this line. This is 20 millimeter, enter. Fine. I have one more dimension. This is 40 millimeter, enter. I want to add one more dimension from this reference line to this line. This is 20 millimeter, enter. Exit workbench. Now go to the option here, pocket. This time I want to remove the material from this face till the last. So open this. Here we are going to get the option up to last. I'm going to select up to last, click OK. That's it. So we can see that here, this is another simple example of designing the 3D component in Catia using part design.